Distemper virus, or known as CDV. The structure of my virus is a negative single strand of RNA covered in a viral envelope. It is part of the Paramoididae family, which is part of a bigger family called metapneumovirus. It is usually spread when airborne, but it can be spread through contact with infected animals or surfaces. Once in the body, the virus fuses the viral envelope to the host cell and spreads using the hemagglutinin and fusion proteins, which go through the membrane of the cell. It replicates in the cell's cytoplasm, and the negative mRNA is used as a template for making positive mRNA, which will create proteins to ultimately replicate the virus. The virus goes near the respiratory system and gets into the lymphatic system. Once there, multiplies and travels all over the body. Some of the symptoms are fever, vomiting, and coughing, and many of these symptoms are similar to rabies and COVID-19. This virus attacks the nervous system, which can equal muscle twitches and paralysis, and even after recovering from the virus, they can still have permanent nervous system damage. It has the biggest impact on wildlife populations, most likely because now that there's a vaccine for CDV, many pet owners get that vaccine. So this virus has affected many parts of the world, like Spain, China, Africa, Russia, mainly those four. And there are many types of species that suffer from this disease, including foxes, ferrets, wolves, pandas, skunks, raccoons, coyotes, and cats. And the main hosts are domestic dogs. There are quite a few things that are unique about my virus. One is that it's directed towards animals, and as far as we know, does not affect humans. Not to mention, Canine Distemper virus affects many parts of your body, including the respiratory system, spine, and brain, which could also mean the nervous system. And I was surprised to learn that even after animals recover from the virus, their nervous system, like I said before, can be permanently damaged. Some of the similarities is that they both have a single strand of RNA, and both can be caught through the air or through physical contact with the virus. They both cannot survive long outside of the host body, the virus that is, and the symptoms are very similar. Both viruses have also acquired many deaths worldwide. And the differences. So, COVID-19 does not have a vaccine, while CDV does. And Canine distemper affects animals only, as COVID-19 affects humans and animals. RNA does not take over the machinery like it does in COVID-19, but like I said before, they use the negative mRNA as a template to create positive mRNA for proteins to multiply. And the respiratory system, like I said many times before, is permanently damaged. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you!